What up, though? This is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys some drills that you can do to work on your weak hand, your offhand. When you're playing basketball, you want to make sure that you can go both ways. You can finish with both hands around the basket. That'll make you a much more effective basketball player. But before we do that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and look down in the description. I've got a link down there that'll tell you 3 key things that you can do that will help you become a better scorer. And they're very simple. Without any further ado, let's get to this video. Okay, first up, we just pounding the ball hard as you can. You're down in the athletic stance, bringing the ball up to about waist level, and you're just pounding the ball out, dribbling it as hard as you can, forcing yourself to control the ball. To make this a workout, I would recommend doing each of these drills 50 times, 50 dribbles, except for the drills that are low where you're dribbling using fingertip strength, like the next drill you'll be doing. And also, I would do those drills for about 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. Now we're going low. You want to dribble the ball as low as you can. Keep the ball on your fingertips. You're working out your fingertips and your wrists. Your forearm should be kind of tired after doing this drill. All right, now we're taking the ball side to side. You still got the ball in your offhand. You want to dribble the ball hard, force yourself to control the ball. This will help you in the game when you're not pounding the ball as hard. It'll be easier to control the ball. Next is another fingertip control drill. You're dribbling the ball low as you can. You're going side to side with the ball in your offhand. You want to be able to strengthen those fingers, strengthen your forearm so you can control the ball. Pounding the ball back and forth. We're just covering all the ways that you can dribble a basketball with your offhand. You want to get adept and you want to get comfortable dribbling the ball in each way possible. So right here, we're just going back and forth with the ball. Another ball control drill that we can do is taking the ball around your off leg with your offhand, so you're not touching the ball at all with your strong hand. You're just taking the ball around with your offhand, and then you can also reverse it and go the opposite way, which would be a little bit harder than going from behind. It's a little bit harder to go from the front, and that's what we'll do next. Just bringing the ball back and forth in between your legs. This may be a little bit difficult once you first start doing it, a little awkward, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. You're just going back and forth between your legs. All of the drills have been stationary drills up until this point. So now we're going to add in a drill where you're moving with the basketball and you're just walking slow. You're taking the ball around your back, then between your legs, all with the offhand. I will go to the 3-point line or even to half court and back, and finish with your offhand at the end as well. I would go up and back about 5 times down, 5 times back. And finish with your offhand. Finish some on your normal side of the basket, and also finish some on the outside with the reverse, all with your offhand. right, thanks for watching that video. I hope you got a lot of value out of that. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you watched up to this point, we got new videos for you guys each and every day. I'm so glad you're here watching this video. And we'll have more videos coming out for you each and every week. All right, see you guys later.